glory of God upon your life, I will bring to manifestation. Have faith in me, have hope in me, believe in me, keep walking, putting your hand into the plow. Don't look back, don't go back into where you have been before. Move forward, saith the Lord, and I will show forth in your power, show forth my glory and my anointing upon your life, and I will bring such wealth upon you and upon your land that you will have more than, oh God, more than enough for me in this day. Don't be afraid, saith the Lord. Don't be afraid, because you will build the gate and the walls of Jerusalem for me, saith the Lord. Be strong and be courageous. You will build the walls and the gate of Jerusalem like Nehemiah. You will be like Joshua. You will possess the land for yourself and for the people that I've given unto you. Grace shall speak over your life. Your gate shall be continually open.